Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make cosmic effect on your video in Capcut. But before going to the tutorial, please click subscribe button and notification bell so you can get more videos update. Okay, here I choose one photo to edit. Click add, and I think I want to add the text. Like this. Okay, and then tap on the clip and tap on style button in toolbar and choose cosmic effect exactly at the front. Just wait. So this is the result. Okay, that's is video how to make cosmic effect on your video in Capcut. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And you can click thanks button for appreciate. Bye bye.